dear owners, the dear sponsors, one day to go, mega cow, it's a dear going, saying it's Corona, थोड़ा दूर जाओ.
तो आओ यार, अपने कान में ईयरफोन्स डाल लो. क्या डाल भी लिए? वह तेज हो रहा है सालो. खैर, शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बक.
Welcome to ISHHPL 2022 powered by Cricket Forever. आपने मतलब विचारता हशो कि एज अ न्यूज एंकर या फिर कुछ तो अपडेट लेके आया हूँ रिगार्डिंग कोरोना या तो क्रिकेट. यस, यू आर राइट. वी आर हियर टू प्रोवाइड यू बोथ द अपडेट्स.
रुको जरा, सबर करो.
You must be thinking કે આજે આ વિડિયો કેમ પ્રોવાઈડ કરી રહ્યા છે. The very strong reason to provide you this video is એમ સમજો કે હું અત્યારે આ પર્સનલ મેસેજ for each one of you આપી રહ્યો છું. We could have given just a communication by writing a message, but આજે જેટલા બી પોઈન્ટ્સ પર અમે અપડેટ આપશું, we just want one thing from you is discipline.
Wait a minute.
આપણને બધાને ખબર છે અત્યારે માહોલ શું છે. We are on a very tight deadline. Anytime lockdown is possible or anytime our cricket tournament is ending.
क्या आपको लॉकडाउन चाहिए? लॉकडाउन चाहिए, हाँ या ना? अरे भाइयों और बहनों, आप जो कह रहे हैं, मेरी आवाज आप तक आ रही है, लेकिन आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
So we just want one thing from each one of you is discipline for this tournament regarding the rules and the corona we have right. We want your health to be secured and also the powerful performance for which you all are ready. So without much ado, let's start with our very first point, and that's going to be the opening point for our opening ceremony. આપણી ઓપનિંગ સેરેમની હશે 8 of January 2022 at sharp 7 am. Opening ceremony is not gonna start without giving a tribute to our very beloved friend Ankit. Yes, you heard it right. The opening ceremony is gonna start with our tribute to our beloved friend Ankit with Ankit's Cricket Forever.
વિથ સ્પોર્ટ્સમેન સ્પિરિટ તમે તમારા બેસ્ટ પ્લેયર ચૂઝ કરો અને ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ.
Strongly sharp 7 am and I am sure કે આપણે જે ટ્રિબ્યુટ આપી રહ્યા છે, no one will want to miss that tribute to our friend. I am repeating again and again on the time because our tournament માં અમારો સૌથી મેઇન ફેક્ટર રહેવાનો છે એ ટાઈમ. Yes, we will move to the second point and that is sharp 7:15 am first ball of the tournament will be played.
મ્યુઝિક.
Yes, you heard it right, 7:15 am. ઘણા બધા વિચારતા છો યાર આરામથી આવશું, આપણી ફર્સ્ટ મેચ કઈ છે, આપણી સેકન્ડ મેચ હશે. We are not going to disclose. We have already got the format in place, but just a request because આપણને ઓપનિંગ કરવી છે with the grand tribute and I would like each one of you to be present there at sharp 7 am. Now the third point I am going to strongly say on this one because this time આપણો મોટો છે discipline. When I say discipline, there is very strict rule.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
The very first point, match innings, 35 minutes per inning and total 1 hour 15 minutes including 5 minutes break in between the innings. 35 minutes is equal to 5 minutes per over. I think so. Is sufficient છે બધા માટે and we will not tolerate that any extra time, even a minute after 35 minutes. The umpires will be there, the committee will be there, બધા જ લોકો નોટિસ કરશે and this time we have a penalty for each inning. We will let you know on the ground. But be rest assured there will be penalty this time. કોઈ બી ચીજ lightly નહીં લેવામાં આવે. The only reason અમે આ વખતે strict છે, we want everything to be finished before 5 pm. Yes, 5 pm થી 1 મિનિટ બી આ વખતે એક્સ્ટ્રા નથી મળવાનો આપણને and we don't want any overs to be reduced at a later stage કે કોઈને બી બેનિફિટ ના મળે એનો. આગળ આરામથી રમી લેશું, પછી પાછળથી 6 ઓવર કરવી આ વખતે નહીં થાય. We will strictly go on with 35 minutes per inning. Unruly behavior will not be tolerated at all. સ્ટમ્પને પગ મારશો, બેટને પગ મારશો, બોલને પગ મારશો, or any other unruly behavior in the books of cricket will not be tolerated. Yes, we will go strong this time again for this one. I know you must be thinking last time we were light. We are not going to be harsh. We are going to be super strong, disciplined this time.
टपा मालूम ना?
Yes. There will be penalty for this one as well, and that is going to be termination for next year from our tournament. That player will not be allowed to play for the tournament for next year. No arguments will be tolerated. As usual, umpire's decision, final decision.
ऐसे हालात में बेहतर यही है कि वक्त रहते इंसान सतर्क होकर अपने जज्बात को काबू में रखकर अपने कदम पीछे हटा ले और
But I am again strongly saying, આ વખતે અમે નહીં tolerate કરીએ. For the very reason we are very short of time. Each match should finish on time, and કોઈને બી disadvantage નહીં આપી આ વખતે કે ભાઈ આના તરફ bias છે કે આના તરફ bias છે. We will not see who you are. We will just take the call, and that's it.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Alright, number 4, format. Yes, there is a twist in the format this time, but the advantage for it. Total 10 teams this time in the history of ISH HPL 2020. 10 teams will be divided in 2 groups, 5 in each group. Table toppers, top 4 from each team. Yes, you heard it right, top 4, based on the 4 league match that will be played by each team. Both groups, top 4 will go in top 8. Top 8, Emati, first from each group will be in qualifier 1. And the next 3 of both the groups will be playing against each other. 2 versus 2, 3 versus 3, 4 versus 4. But એ ત્રણમાંથી ખાલી 2 જણા જ આગળ જશે. Yes, 2 જણા જ આગળ જશે even though એ ત્રણે winner હશે, and that will be decided by the net run rate of that particular matches. Yes, એ જે 3 મેચ રમાશે એમાંથી જે ટોપ 2 હાઈએસ્ટ રન રેટ થી હશે એ લોકો જ ક્વોલિફાઈ થશે ફોર ધ નેક્સ્ટ સ્ટેજ.
तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है?
But the only advantage is આપણે top 8 લોકોને આગળ ક્વોલિફાઈ કરવો છે, and again the next 2 will be playing the qualifier 2, and then the same format, qualifier 1, qualifier 2, and then eliminator 1, and then finals. Alright, now the biggest announcement, number 5. Yes, the prize for all your hard work.
₹150 देगा.
For all the hard work that will be done by our man of the match. Yes, for the man of the match, we are giving the new attraction in our town, આપણા જ community ના multi-link ચિરાગ ભાઈના તરફથી the Bollywood Park ની ticket. Yes, each man of the match will get 1 Bollywood Park ticket, valid for at least 1 year. You can go and visit there and enjoy one of the new and best attraction ever. Next, best batsman, best bowler, best fielder. They are getting 1100 plus Bollywood Park ticket. Next, man of the series. Man of the series is getting 1 night couple stay in Taj. And last but not the least, the winner and runner-up. The total 28 players for both the teams, they are getting 2 night stay in 4-star luxury resort.
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
Let's have a preview. And not just that, the biggest attraction this time, the Crystal Trophy is being given in the history of Hudson Sultans in any over tournament, weighing approximately 25 kg. I'm sure that's going to be the attraction for this tournament in 2022. And and you're going to be proud of taking that back home. You're feeling of that as well.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Okay, last but not the least, I will again emphasize on couple of things. The very first thing, no audience allowed. Yes, you heard it right, no audience allowed. This time અમે BMC ની પરમિશન લીધી છે, બાકાયદા almost 7-8 pages ની એ લોકોની details છે that there will be not a single audience allowed. At least આપણા 150 players હશે and that આપણે એક thank કરવું જોઈએ કે ભાઈ at least in this environment આપણને રમવા મળે છે. So it's a humble request, do not let any audience to be in our ground and make a problem. Yes, for the convenience of the audience, we have YouTube live again this year as well. And આ વખતે YouTube live માં હજી મજા આવશે. We have covered from almost all the angles and I'm sure you're going to enjoy exactly like the international cricket match. But the audience અમને જોઈએ છે કે એ લોકો બી આપણી match enjoy કરે. We want to go this as far as possible and that's going to be possible. Sit at home, sit tight, relax and enjoy the match. Next thing, emphasize this again. પ્લીઝ અગર તમને કોઈ બી સિમ્પટમ્સ હોય કે જરા બી તમને એવું લાગે કે ભાઈ મને એવું ફીલ થઈ રહ્યું છે કે મારે આ ટુર્નામેન્ટ માટે ના જવું જોઈએ, I would request please stay at home. The tournament is not important more than your health and other health. Yes, it will be not a matter of just your health. તમારા કારણ ઘણા બધા લોકોને ઇન્ફેક્શન પહોંચી શકે છે and we would not like that to happen. અમે અમારા તરફથી બધી જ ફેસિલિટીઝ ત્યાં રાખશું. If you need it, sanitation, washing hands, even some of the masks we might provide if you don't have. But we want you to take care of your own self to protect yourself and others. આના પર વધારે emphasize કરવાની જરૂરત નથી. You all know the current situation. I just would like to do a humble request again. I am emphasizing again on this point because આ બહુ જ મોટો મેટર છે અત્યારે. I would like owners also to take that responsibility to make sure કે કોઈ બી પ્લેયરને અગર કોરોના ઇશ્યુ હોય, do not consider કે સારો પ્લેયર છે કે બહુ ઓકે પ્લેયર છે. Just make sure they are out of this tournament. And finally, I will close down this video by saying that please be on time at sharp 7 AM. Just like આપણે પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવા માટે સવારે 6:30 વાગે ઉઠી જઈએ છીએ અને 7 વાગે ગ્રાઉન્ડમાં પહોંચી જઈએ છીએ. Exactly, we want you to be there on time and we will finish sharp at 5 PM. And again, to recap all the rules and discipline, that no tolerance for unruly behavior. At that point, again, go back, recap this video, listen to each and every point and make sure we are not missing on anything this time. And hasta la vista, Mega Cow, Thoda Doom Cow and the powerful performance. Thank you very much.